Hello, and welcome to Acupoint Tapping to reduce stress and anxiety. You may stand, sit, or lay in a comfortable position during this practice. Let's begin to deepen our breath. Feel your ribcage and abdomen expand and contract with each breath in and out. Now, out loud, begin to repeat, I let go of my stress, or I let go of my anxiety. Throughout this exercise, continue to repeat this phrase out loud. Tap each point 10 times in quick succession using 3 to 4 fingertips. The tapping should be firm, but not hard. You may tap corresponding points at the same time or one at a time. Let's begin at the top of the head, at a point found midway between the tips of the ears. While tapping, continue to repeat, I let go of my stress, I let go of my anxiety. Next, move to a point just above the center of each eyebrow and repeat, I let go of my stress, I let go of my anxiety. Continue to your temples, just to the side of the outer edge of your eyes, and continue repeating, I let go of my stress, I let go of my anxiety. Next, move to a point below the center of your eyes, on the lower ridge of your eye socket bone. Next, continue to a point between your nose and upper lip. Move to a point on the center of your chin, midway between your lower lip and the tip of your chin, and repeat, I let go of my stress, I let go of my anxiety. Next, tap the points below your collarbone, about 1 hand breadth to the side of your sternum or chest bone. Finally, tap a point on the inside of your wrists, about 3 finger widths above the crease of your wrists, and say, I let go of my stress, I let go of my anxiety. Please repeat this sequence and phrase 2 more times. If your stress or anxiety is still overwhelming, continue repeating this tapping sequence and phrase until these feelings have lessened. Thank you for taking time to improve your emotional health today. Take care and be well.